Hello friends and followers. Well, I never wanted to get into the Drake TR7 power amplifier this deep, but here I go. So now I'm separating the power amplifier board from the heatsink. This is quite a painful job actually. So you'll need to take out all these screws here. Take out these two. And then for the actual finals, you want to take out hex there, a hex there, and a hex under here. You can reach either hex by putting the hex driver through the loops of this transformer. You can get it by going down and through there. Anyway, this is more painful than I imagined, but maybe the results will be worth it. Usually when I get in this far on these power amplifier boards, it's not a good thing. So anyway, here we go. I'm just following Stefan's advice that he published in a paper about 3 years ago on how to ground plane this thing. So I want to get it off and ground plane it. I got some copper here for ground planing and gonna put some of that on the sides of it to get this thing ground planed and see if it works any better. And make a few changes and just check things out too, do some soldering. So we'll see how that works. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, this is danger mouse stuff for sure. I'm just not real comfortable in here. I guess they would call this thing a 2-pill amplifier, meaning these look like 2 pills. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. A 2-pill pallet, as they say. Thanks for watching.